they're dressed for the event. All right, we just landed in Chicago. A lot of you know we're getting ready to remodel our showroom, and one of the things that we're on the hunt for is new speakers for our theater. So we've got our eyes on a couple of different speaker companies, but super excited about Dynaudio, and they were nice enough to invite us out to Chicago to demo their speakers. So we're excited. We'll see how it goes. So the boys at Dynaudio just sent us a hotel reservation. It's a Marriott, so I don't know if we're gonna Uber or what. We're probably gonna grab some grub, and they're gonna take us out to dinner tonight. So we don't get to hear the speakers until tomorrow, but we're very excited about it. Hello! Welcome. This is the room that everybody else is hanging out in, so I've kept it so tidy. So at time, shoes are optional. But I have to run Matt's shoes down to him because his feet are cold. And so his shoes are in my luggage. Matt's shoes are in my luggage because he didn't want to carry his shoes like this on the plane. So I put them in my luggage. So now I have to take them to him. It all makes sense to us, trust me. What's up, man? My feet are freezing. Thank you. What's up? This is my humble abode here. Wow, why is your room so much cleaner than my room? We all bunked up at your place and ate food and then left. It's great. Wow, Dynaudio's here. Pick us up and take us out to eat. I'm not sure where we're going yet. I think they said deep dish pizza. They're right over here. I'm for deep dish, never had deep dish, Chicago deep dish. How you doing, man?
Oh, fantastic. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, likewise.
Yeah,
Thanks for
how
all
you
the
doing?
help.
Absolutely. How's it going?
Good, sorry, cameras in your mind.
Absolutely, no problem.
How's the day? Been a speaker here for a long time.
Okay, I need your help because this kind of audio is way over my head. It's like French to me, so you have to help me understand everything we're about to talk about for the next 2 days.
Okay, I'll try and pay attention. I'll zone in. I won't see anything shiny.
True story.
Ooh. This is our good buddy John. We're best friends. We go way back. We both eat at Rudy's.
Yeah. And yeah. Well,
Best friends now.
yeah, tight.
There's no room for it in this closet.
Man, camera shot. Look at you.
Just kind of briefly give you a tour, and then we're going to go back in and get a little presentation from Brian, and then we'll get some demos on all of our products.
About these most traditional speakers, no matter how nice they look, have screws on them, but their new line is all screwless, and so you'll notice it's just beautiful. It's seamless front and back. It's just clean lines. It's really cool.
go ahead and move on over to the good stuff.
I was in the other room.
The emit to evoke. And this is the the blonde finish. And then we have this special 40, which we have this in red and gray. Then we go into the contour curved cabinet, front aluminum baffle, Esitar 2 tweeter. Some of our Pro products, our Pro series. So same technology is what we put in the home stuff. So that's what your customers are getting, what the studios are using. We have our Focus products. So you just listened to the Zeo, which was 65 watts an amp on each driver. This is 150 watts on each driver, and you get better fit and finish as well options. And then our flagship, Confidence as well.
Okay, this here is pretty near and dear to my heart. This is their Pro Audio line. So this is what is in a commercial professional music recording studio or a movie production studio. So when a big blockbuster movie gets mixed, the sound engineer is using these speakers. When a great album comes out, it gets mixed on these professional speakers. So everything that we love in the world of audio, movies, it all starts here on these speakers, but it's the exact same technology that's put in the prettier cabinets that we get to use at home. So it's a cool little crossover.
There's a rumble in the jungle, right?
But I know for sure that day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. Oh yeah.
All right, we just finished up here at Dynaudio. It's been a fantastic trip. Thanks everybody at Dynaudio.